Again, when you have completed your project, and again, I'm scrolling over my cursor and moving my indicator over my completed project, I want to export it. And one of the options that you have when you export is you want to export this project as a file. So maybe you want to make this a file so you can put it on YouTube. You want to make this a file that you could put it on a flash drive. You want to make it a file so that you can post it, make a DVD of the project. So again, I'm hovering my mouse over File, and I have several options here. What you want to do is you want to go to Share right here. And remember, Share we previously used to talk about if you want to upload something on YouTube or if we want to upload something directly to Facebook for my friends and family. But I want to hover, you have an option right here called Export File. Um, Now, if you don't see Export File as an option, right here on the bottom you have Add Destination. And if I click that, right here, these are the destinations here on the left are all the different ones that you have the options to that you can click on directly that you can export your project as. Send it to YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, export as a file, which is what we want to do now. If it's not there, you can just click export file here in the center and it will appear here on the left and you're able to do that function. All right, but it's already there, so our destination is already able for us to utilize. So let's X out of that. Let's go back into file and then we want to go to share and then we want to go right down to export file. And when we click that, here's again, this is our basic information. Our audio is MP3, how long the project is, stereo, left and right ears at 44 kilohertz. If we go into settings right here on the top right, right now we're exporting the file only as audio. So right there we know we have to fix that. We need both the video and the audio. There's both video and audio here. Um, Video codec, Apple ProRes 422. That's perfect. We don't need to change that at all. But if you have a different codec that you use for your video files, if you want to go for Blu-ray, for example, H.264 is the codec for HD. But this is not an HD project, so we're going to leave it Apple ProRes 422. Include chapter markers, that's fine. Open with QuickTime Player, that's Apple's automatic video and audio player. So we're fine. All these settings are perfect. So this will make it into a file. So we're happy with those settings. We're going to click Next. And we want to save it. So we would just save title. This is Export Project. Or we can call it the name of the project. Skateboarding X Games. And maybe sometimes in parentheses I'll put export so I know that what the file actually is. It's the same to my hard drive, which I'm happy about. And then I'm going to hit the save button. And right there, we'll start saving the project. Once it's done, again, just like with everything else, just like when you share something to YouTube or Facebook, you will get on the top right, a message saying that your project has been exported successfully. And actually, there it is. And there's the message right there. Share export file was successful. That's fine. We can close it. And right here, here is my completed video up on the screen.